What's up, guys? We got another fidget spinner unboxing. We're unboxing a pretty much just like gold, but it is cool. So unboxing it diamond color unboxing fidget spinner, and this is cool. So actually, I can see it reverse. That's cool. So I like to see it reverse. Hey, Michael, come here. Yeah. It can reverse. Look. Look in the camera. Look. Michael, look. Don't you see it reversing?
Yeah.
This is my fidget spinner. Don't. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Okay, but that fidget spinner he just had, that was my fidget spinner. Remember this one. What the freak? Alright, I don't know what's going on. But make sure you check out this app called Guns of Boom. It's fun. But I like this. This is one of my favorite. I'm not gonna be playing with this a lot. You're not gonna see a lot of videos. But I'm getting another one tomorrow. We're gonna be doing not an unboxing about that, but we're gonna unbox it and just play around with it. This one is cool. So, yeah. Woohoo! So, this is called Bling Bling Fidget Spinner Wizard. Get it from 7-Eleven. Michael, where else you get these from again?
You get some 7-Eleven?
Yeah, you get it from 7-Eleven because my friend has one. And he took me to 7-Eleven, but I forgot what it was called. So, yeah. 7-Eleven. Where else you can get it from? You can get it from the mall. Oh my gosh, look how precious this is. I am fat freak. And this is the fidget spinner unboxing. Diamond, this is what you be asking for. Diamond. Don't you remember that comment you looked at, Michael?
Yeah.
My YouTube said, do diamond. Do your father, do your mom for once. Okay, people have been asking, do diamond. Shut up. Shut up. Oh my gosh! I'm pooping, so I'm taking my time to poop. This is when Michael took a dookie.
Alright.
Make sure you go follow my Sano Suits. Say hi, Sano Suits. See ya.